let's start our lesson for today, which is units of time. So let's watch this video together.
I'm sorry, Joey, but I don't think you have anything in there that I'd like to buy today.
Are you kidding me? I got some great stuff in there. Look, how about this? I got onion toothpaste. It's on sale. Half price.
Onion toothpaste.
Also comes in garlic.
No, thank you, Joey. I'm sorry, no.
Well, how about inflatable eyebrows?
How about we do some math, Joey?
Actually, I do have a math puzzle. It's located right here.
Oh, okay. Brenda had a library book for 3 weeks. Ivan had a library book for 17 days. Who had a library book for a greater amount of time? That is the question. Yeah, we're going to need to figure that out, aren't we?
Sure are.
Now, how can we figure out who had a library book for a greater amount of time? Well, take a look. Brenda had the book for 3 weeks. Ivan had the book for 17 days. Notice we are not comparing the same units of time.
No, we are not.
Right? Weeks and days, that's different.
Totally different.
But if we make these the same unit of time, then we'll be able to compare. Okay? So, let's try to convert weeks into days. Then we can compare days to days.
Sounds good to me.
Now, how many days are in a week? Do you know?
Yes, I do. There are 7 days in a week.
There are 7 days in a week. Now, we're talking about 3 weeks, aren't we?
We are.
So, 3 weeks. Yeah. So, we have 7 days in 1 week.
That's right.
7 days in 1 week. But then there's 2 weeks.
Right, and that's another 7 days.
And then there's 3 weeks. So,
and
all
that's
together.
Another 7 days, right?
So, we need to add up each of those 7s, and that will tell us the total number of days there are in 3 weeks. Okay.
She's so smart.
So are you, Joey.
Thank you.
All right. So let's add this. We need to add these up.
Let's do it.
7 plus 7 is
14.
Good job. And then we're going to add another 7 to that. So 14 plus 7.
15. 21.
Well done. 21 days.
I had to count a little bit.
I know, I heard. Okay, so 21 days. That's how many days there are in 3 weeks.
21 days.
That's right, 21 days. So what can we do with that information? 3 weeks means 21 days. So the question is, who had the library book for a greater amount of time? What do you think? Take a look at what we have here.
Well, 21 is greater than 17. So that means Brenda had her book for the greatest amount of time.
That's exactly right.
Brenda, I bet she had a great time reading it.
I'm sure she did. I hope the books were fun.
Yeah.
That's right. So Brenda had the book for a greater amount of time. Right.
Boy. So I guess you could say that you, Professor Rena, cracked the puzzle.
Oh, with a little help from my friend Joey.
Well, that'll be $1, please.
$1?
Yeah. Well, you cracked the puzzle, and you know what they say. You broke it, you bought it. Luckily, we have a special today, so I'm going to throw in the onion toothpaste for you. Where did I put it?
Joey, great math day, everyone.
I can only find the garlic. Is that okay?
Okay. So What did we do before we could decide which girl had the library book for more days? What could we do? Could we compare weeks to days? Could we? Just directly? Yes or no? Okay. See here. See here. Brenda had the books for 3 weeks. And Yvonne had the books for 17 days. 17 days. Okay, so first, tell me, the week has how many days? How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? Noor, can you tell me? Yes, Noor. How many days do we have in a week? We want to know which girl had the book for more time. But here we don't have the same time unit.
Oh, 3 weeks.
Yes, Yvonne had books for 7 days. So the time unit is days. We need to bring the weeks to days, and then we compare which has them more. Okay? So you can tell me, a week has how many days? 1 week equals what's a walk? A walk, 1 week equals how many days?
17 days.
7 days. Very good. So 1 week, and they are 3 weeks. So I'll give you a very easy way to count it. 2 weeks equals how many days?
17.
By 7 times. So let's count together. You all count with me. Count with me, okay? 7. Another 7, that is? Yes, another 7 is 14. 14 plus 7. Let's count together. Put 7 fingers up. 7.
21. 21.
15. 16. Count with me. After 14. Yes. 15.
14.
16.
17.
18.
19. 20.
21. So how many days?
21. 21.
Very good. 21 days. So 3 weeks exactly. We say 21 days. Okay. That is exactly 21 days. Now we have the same unit. We have 21 days and 17 days, and we can easily compare them. Which girl had the book for more days? Brenda or Yvonne? Brenda. 4 days. Who can count this? How many more days? Do you know how to count it? 21 minus 17 equals how many more days? Who can count this? You can also add. You can so start with 17, raising a finger up with each number until you get to 21. You will have the answer then. So count with me.
4.
Keep raising a finger up. So 17 then 8. How are different units of time related? So let's see.
Hi there. I took a walk in the woods yesterday. You'll never guess what I heard on my walk. I heard 2 children talking about books. I was hoping they were going to tell stories because I love stories. Instead, they talked about how much time it took to read their books. Come along now and I'll tell you more.
Okay, let's see. They talked about how much time it took them to read the books.
Let's use a calendar to show different units of time.
We call this a calendar. Repeat it with me. A calendar. A calendar. You all repeat it. I can see you. A calendar. A calendar. Okay. A calendar shows us each month and the weeks we have in each month and the days. So here you can see this is January, the calendar of January. January starts on Wednesday. You see here, it's the 1st of January. It's on Wednesday. It ends on Friday. The 31st of January is Friday. And how many days? It shows us how many days do we have in a month. So here in January, we have 31 days. It also tells us each week starts with which day. So here, this week starts on Monday, the 6th of January. The other one starts on Monday, the 13th of January. The other one is the 20th. The other one, the 27th. Okay, let's continue now.
The title of the calendar shows what month it is. This calendar shows January. The names of the days are at the top of each column. The numbers show how many days are in each month. Click the number that shows how many days are in the month of January. A week is 7 days. What's another way to show 7 days?
We can say a week. A week means 7 days, so we can either say 7 days or we say a week.
This is 7 days too. It also shows a week.
Mm-hmm.
There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. From January 1st to December 31st, there are about 52 weeks. A week is more time than a day. A week is less time than a year. Which unit of time is the same as 7 days?
Who can answer this? Is it a week or a year? Who can say this? Usama, which unit of time is the same like 7 days? A week or a year?
A week.
A week. Let's try it.
That's right. 7 days is the same as a week.
Very
Which
good.
unit of time is the same as 52 weeks?
52 weeks. Which one is this? Yusuf, can you answer this? When we say 52 weeks, that means a week or a year? Is it the same like a week or a year when we say 50
year.
weeks? Very good.
That's right. 52 weeks is the same as a year.
Very good.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer. Now try your homework on your own with the
Okay. Now let's start.
Find out who took a greater amount of time.
Let's
in
start
the library.
with our books.
See you soon.
Go to page 389. Page 389. Write the date. Which month are we in now? Open page 389, write the date.
I open it.
Okay, write the date. It is the 2nd of April.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. It is the 2nd of April. Let's write it. Here we have a calendar. We need to use it to answer the questions. We learn how to use the calendar. And it shows January, February, and March. Okay? So the first question is, how many days are there in March? How many days are there in March? Who can answer this? Maqdam, can you answer it? Look at March and tell me how many days are there?
31.
31, very good. So we have 31 days in March. Question 2. How many Fridays are there in January? How many Fridays are there in January? Ahmed, can you answer this? First, we need to go to January. This is January. Then you put your hand on a Friday and see the calendar, okay? How many Fridays do we have in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Ahmed, how many Fridays do we have in January?
5.
5 Fridays. Okay. Now let's answer this question. What day of the week is February? The 10th. What day of the week is February? The 10th. So we need to say, is it Monday or Friday or Saturday? What day is it? Who can say it? Miraj? February the 10th. So you will go to February the 10th and tell us, what day is it? Yes, Allah, can you answer this?
Yeah.
So, which day is the February the 10th? Which one? You can look here at the calendar. It's here. Put your finger on the 10th day of February and go up and read the name of the day.
Monday.
Monday, yes. You will go to the 10th day of February and it's here, okay? And look up. What is the name of the day? It's Monday. Very good, Ahmad.
Me, I say it.
Very good, Usama. You are doing very well as well.
Me, I say it. Me too.
Very good, Miran. Okay, last question. What is the date of the 3rd Sunday in March? So, we will go to March. And then we will go to Sunday here. You all look at Sunday.
16.
And we will count until we get to the 3rd Sunday in the month. So, 2nd March is the 1st Sunday. 9th of March is the 2nd Sunday. What is the date in the 3rd one? Who can answer this?
Me.
Okay, Ahmad, say it.
16.
16, very good. Now check your answers.